Hey guys, Birdie here, and welcome to my page. I am painting the Cupid tiered tray kit from our website, and I'm using some grays, some soft pinks, and some whites for this kit. This is the second time I've painted this kit. I did do one with a stained look, a dark wood stain, and a little bit of a darker pink and some light pinks, which turned out just as pretty. But I had done another sign with these lighter colors and gray and really loved it. So wanted to create a tier tray kit that matched that. That's the great thing about our kits or any of these crafts. When you're crafting something, you get to choose the colors, you get to uh, create matching decor for your home. So, um, I am using masking tape. So if you're new to my page or new to these wood DIY kits, masking tape is a must. I love using it to hold all the tiny pieces, to hold the letters, using that sticky side up. It just makes it so easy to paint them without trying to hold them with your fingers and smudging them. The other thing that I want to mention is our kits come with the guidelines or score marks on the pieces. That's where the laser cuts just that top surface and it helps place your items, the uh, letters, the words centered and in line. But if you want to do something different, where you want to have a little bit of freedom in placing those items, maybe you want to rotate the love on the tag, or maybe you want the Cupid on the tag and the love letters on the round sign, whatever it may be, there's always the back side, and the back side is blank, giving you that artistic freedom. So keep that in mind. You are not locked into doing it exactly how we have laid it out or placed the guidelines on there for you. The score marks are fairly deep, so feel free to paint right over those and you will still be able to see those for placement when you go to glue up. You really have to layer the paint on to cover those score marks. The other tip that I want to give you is using these makeup wedges. This is something that I've just started using, I want to say maybe a year, 2 years ago, and they are so helpful for painting small pieces and just doing a tap tap motion on the top. I recommend not painting the edges of these wood cutouts. The dark burnt edges that the laser gives it really just gives it a that dark edge helps pop off the pieces and gives it more of that 3D look that we're going for. Uh, there's very rare, it's a very rare thing for me to paint the edges of those. Once in a while, I like the look of it, but I really recommend just leaving them that dark edge. The makeup brush or the makeup wedges really help with that on those letters and intricate pieces. So using the makeup wedge with the tap tap just to get the top edge painted is perfect. Here I am using a chip brush to distress everything. That is a total preference thing. I love the distressed look. I like things to look worn, rustic, kind of a farm style look, but you don't have to do that. Again, these kits are made to give you the freedom to create your own decor in the style that you like. I'm using a stick fast adhesive here. You can use any glue. I recommend something that's clear drying in case you do get a little glue that squirts out the edges, that you won't be able to see it. So, and glue goes a long way. Don't over glue your pieces. This is just home decor pieces, nothing that needs a ton of glue for structural purposes. The other thing I want to mention is I don't glue my signs into the slotted stands because I like to be able to take the stands off and store my pieces flat. But if you need a little more structural, uh, it needs a little bit more to stand straight up, you can glue those into the slotted stands as well. I'm using a baker's twine to hang my banner here, and then I had some pre-cut or pre-ripped strips of fabric from another project that I'm going to use to decorate the top of my tag. I have two pieces here, and I'm just fluffing it so that all the fabric is facing the right side, and then I'm going to cut the ends with a dovetail type cut to give it a decorative finish. The little heart piece is a charm that you could add beads to. You could add just a string to and tie around a vase. Those charms are really just a little extra that you can do pretty much anything with. I added fabric to mine, and there we go. Here it is styled. I think it is so super cute and perfect for Valentine's Day. And here is the first version that we did with that stained wood and a little bit of a darker pink, styled with the same way. And both are just really pretty and perfect for Valentine's coming up. I hope this inspired you and gets you crafting. Thanks, guys, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.